The COVID-19 pandemic is the essential global health crisis of our time and the extreme encounter we have faced in the Second World War, dear the comedies. Hello everyone, my name is Pataraphon Intasombat. I'm studying in Mathayom 2 at Monty Siksa School. Today I would like to make a speech about how to protect yourself from COVID-19. First of all, I would want to know about this pandemic briefly. COVID-19 is the disease caused by a new coronavirus called SARS-CoV-2. The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, dry cough, and fatigue. Symptoms of severe COVID-19 disease include shortness of breath, loss of appetite, confusion, persistent pain or pressure in the chest, and high temperature set by WHO. However, the pandemic is harmless. WHO has advised us how to protect yourself from COVID-19. The first advice are wearing masks and physical distancing. They are both simple methods which you can do when you are in public. COVID-19 spreads mainly from person to person through respiratory droplets. Respiratory droplets travel into the air when you cough, sneeze, talk, shout, or sing. These droplets can then land in the mouth or noses of people who are near you, or they may breathe these droplets in. Because of this, wearing masks and physical distancing is the easiest means to criticize the spreading of virus. Second, regularly cleaning your hands is the best method to prevent virus into our bodies. People frequently touch their eye, nose, and mouth without even realizing it. Germs can get into the body through the eyes, nose, and mouth and make us sick. Keeping hands clean is one of the most important steps which we can take to avoid getting sick and spreading germs to others. Many diseases and conditions are spread by not washing hands with soap and cleaning products. The last method which you should do when you place yourself into a high-risk area is doing quarantine. Doing home quarantine for 14 days is one of the most self-responsibility to humanity. Why 14 days? The answer is COVID-19 most commonly has an incubation period of 5 days. In addition, about 97% of people who contact the virus will show symptoms within 11 days. That means most people who've been infected with the novel coronavirus will likely show symptoms within 11 days. By setting 14 days for the self-quarantine period, officials are allowing extra time for people to be certain they haven't been infected and can spread the virus to others. As you have known, vaccination is implemented successfully. Not only follow 3 advices, you must get vaccination as well. It's going to reduce the chance of COVID-19 infection. Criticize your symptoms from COVID-19 infection and produce herd immunity. Finally, in my opinion, there aren't which method better than the others. We must follow 3 advices, including getting vaccination for ourselves. We cannot choose which is the best method to follow or not. They must come together. Because of every method has the different important factor to protect yourself from COVID-19. Thank you.